Welcome back. I'm N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English. Let's look at radio script 2. Radio scripts should be informal, direct and polite. When you write your script and present it on the air, imagine that you are talking to one individual listener. If you are writing a radio report, for example, think of how would you tell your neighbor the information which you are about to give to your listeners. Ask these questions. What words would you use to talk to your neighbor? What is the first thing you would tell him or her? What would you mention later? Practice well before you present it on the air. Think of one concrete person in your mind. You will discover that your presentation will be much more direct and animated than if you presented your script without imagining that one person listening. Radio language should be very close to spoken language. Write as you would speak. Don't use colloquial slang. Aim for straightforward simplicity and avoid long, complicated sentences and jargon. Use appropriate language. Your listeners do not understand or language that they find offensive, you alienate them and not get your message across. You need to keep in mind what your listeners are, religious, moral and ethnic sensibilities are. What words are taboos? Carelessness can cause great harm and damage your radio station's image. Research shows that listeners find it difficult to understand sentences with more than 15 words. So, try to speak very short. This is an example given here for your understanding. Repeat important terms. It is confusing for radio listeners if you replace nouns or names with pronouns. They may not sound elegant, but it guarantees clarity. So, it's better to use the noun and repeat it. Language should be lively. Synonyms may seem like a good idea, but sometimes it confuses the listeners. If you use the word Pentagon, it represents US Ministry of Defense, but not all of your listeners would know the term that Pentagon means US Ministry of Defense. So, try to convey the information that all the listeners can understand. Radio is not the medium for detailed figures and numbers. Just keep in mind that you have to concentrate just on 2 or 3 key figures in a radio script. Those that are absolutely necessary. If you have to mention numbers or figures in your script, it is usually better to round the numbers off. When you talk about sizes, amounts or quantities of objects, it helps radio listeners visualize what you are saying if you draw comparison. Example is given. If you mention football field, they'll visualize. Graphic language. Using descriptive words and expression is essential for a radio script. Your only tool to convey information to your listeners is the medium of sound, that is words. You cannot show them colorful pictures like a television journalist would. You have to put all the information this visual media contain into your words. Don't forget that you are the listener's eyes. Describe to them what you see when you are reporting on location. The more descriptive you are, the easier it will be for your listeners to imagine what you, the reporter, are seeing and experiencing. Always write your radio script in the active voice. This will make it sound livelier and less stilted. The next one in this video is quotes. When you're quoting what someone said in your script, your listeners cannot see where you have put the quotation marks. So it is not enough to indicate where a quote begins and where it ends through intonation. It is better to say quote and end of quote. Thanks for watching this video.